Welcome sa inyong Community Challenge. Drop your box. Welcome to the merge. You are now merging as one tribe. But, there's one more twist. Only one can return to the game. So, you'll witness the challenge. 2 minutes. In every 2 minutes, magdadagdag kami ng dalawang weight. Same rule. Nakataas ang isang paa, bawal mag-fit level. Okay, hold the pot. Hold the pot. One step forward. One step forward. Stretch. Raise your foot. Carla, raise your foot. 3, 2, Jerry stretch. 1. The challenge begins. Gusto nyo makabalik, gusto nyo gumante. Tinanggal nila kayo. Straight to your face. Carla is out of the game permanently. We're down to 4. Yes. Taas. Yes, Celine. Struggling. Stretch. Okay, Celine is out of the game permanently. We're down to 3. Yes, yes. JM struggling. Struggling. 1, 2, 3. Oh, JM is out of the game. We're down to 2 people. Shit. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stretch. Harvey wins. Harvey returns to the game. Gin and JM out of the game permanently. Okay?
Harvey, anong na-feel mo nung kayong dalawa na lang ni Jin?
Ni Jin, alam ko na siyempre si Jin, may, ewan ko, yung parang gusto niya rin ako makabawi din sa laban. And parang alam niya na mas kakayanin ko for the sake of the lahat ng natanggal. It's our plan na talaga, na pinag-usapan namin, basta kung sinong pumasok, kailangan gagawin niya yun, not only for himself or herself, but for the whole team na nagkasama-sama kami.
This is what you want in the game. The individual immunity necklace. Clear na ba yung instructions? You can get all the resources that you want within this vicinity. Fire. Bawal itaas ang apoy. Bawal itaas ang apoy. Whoever's ready. Go! Fatima, starting her fire. Fatima, nakastart na ng apoy. JV, malaki agad. Will it burn? Will it last? No! It falls down! John, malaki ang apoy! Will it stay? Will it stay?
Oh!
Okay, malapit!
Okay, Joms!
Wins immunity!
Anong na-feel mo? Having that around your neck? Nung naputol na yung tali, ganon.
Siyempre, masaya. First time, tsaka alam mo naman, delikado kami ngayon. Pinag-iinitan kami. Tsaka, napansin ko naman kasi dito sa side ko, may mga dry leaves ng bamboo. Mas malakas yun, umapoy. Tsaka advantage ko naman kasi nasa dulo ako. Tsaka, kinuha ko na lahat ng pwede ikuha kasi bawal na yung konti-konti lang. Mahirap na mamatay ka ng apoy. Ayun.
Kumusta yung reward?
Pabiling lugaw.
Ba't may tinalabit? Asan yung yung torch nila?
Yung falls na?
May torch mo kami ka. Strong J. Kasi
Friends tayo, pero
I have a
Well, I'm back.
Romy, the tribe has spoken. It's time for you to go.
Ship, wheel, dagger, anchor, coins, basket. Okay, go to your pick a place.
Ano, ship talaga. Ano ship? Ito pa. Ito maingay.
Basket. Ship. Wheel. Dagger. Coins. Okay. Anchor. Okay. First image. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Princess says anchor. The correct answer is ship. Princess, you're out of the game. Please go to the side. Go to the side. Next image. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. John says wheel. Tommy says dagger. The correct answer is musket. So, Tommy and John are out of the game. Next image. Everybody says 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everybody says ship. Gusto ko na dito lahat. Magluluwa tayo. Everybody says ship. The correct answer is ship. Next image. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tonton says dagger. The correct answer is wheel. Tonton, you're out of the game. Next image. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everybody says dagger. Everybody is safe. Next image. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Harvey says anchor. Fatima and Sam, anchor then. The correct answer, coins. Harvey, Fatima, and Sam are out of the game. Final image. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. JV says ship. Noel says anchor.
anchor yan.
Noel wins immunity. Noel, congratulations. You cannot vote, Noel, on the next tribal council. Maaari na kayong bumalik sa inyong camp. Di ba na sila? Dapat free flowing mo. Okay, just to be.
Dito na sila.
Tonton. Harvey, wala ka. Tonton, first one. Tonton, naharangan ni JV. Harvey, scores a point for their group. Go. Tonton, no. JV, no. Sam, no. Noel, shoot. The driver's ready. Go. Tonton. Tonton. Wala. Tonton tries again. Tonton tries again. Tries. Tonton. Tommy. Noel tries to shoot. Okay, 1 point. Noel. Go. Fatima, hawak ang bola. Binigay kay Tonton. Tonton tries to shoot. Wala. Tonton, hawak ang bola. Tonton scores. 1-all. Fatima, sinulak si Tommy. Kinuha ang bola. Fatima, parang day 1. Fatima, parang day 1. Fatima, ayaw magpahawat. Fatima, ayaw magpahawat. Tonton, scores again. Fatima, sinugtog. Ayaw ibigay kay Tommy. Andito ako. I want. Okay. Go. Fatima, pinagbibigyan. Lucky shoot. Fatima, to shoot the ball. Wow! Fatima, 1. Go! Fatima, aggressive pa din kahit day 3 na. O, napuwing. Tonton, hindi kinukuha ang bola. Tonton. Wala pa! Tonton! Struggling, Fatima! Okay, 1-1. The driver's ready. Go! Fatima, ayaw na ang bola. Wala, Tonton. Wala pa din, wala na. Tonton, 2, Fatima, 1. Fatima, magpapatalo ka ba? Fatima, ayaw na daw niya. Oy! Fatima, 2-2. Doing the alligator clap. Go! Fatima, unang kuha sa bola. Ito na, this is it. Kanino mapupunta ang immunity? Fatima. Tonton tries to get Fatima. Slip. Tonton wins immunity. And reward.
Komportable kasi lalo na babae siya. Mas mapapakita ko sana yung lakas ko kung lalaki yung maging karunggaligo.
Pero nahihirapan ka pa din, di ba?
Ayos lang. Masaya.
Nakakatawa.
Nakakatawa solid.
Who do you think deserves to win?
Siyempre, si Tonton the Great.
Why?
Kasi kahit alam niyang dominant siya dun sa laro niya kanina, yung parang naging sports pa rin siya. For me, ano pa rin yan, parang respect pa rin yan siyempre.
Correct pa. Isang talaga nila. Kakain na ako kaya JV. Sam, your tribe is spoken. It's time for you to go.
Hold the ball in 10, 9, 8. Pwede pa hawakan yung bola. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release the ball. Start the ball. Fatima. Hawak niya ang bola. Hawak ang bola. Fatima. Yan. Check. Princess Bomb on the lower deck. Yan. Focus on your ball. You want that necklace on your neck. The game. Tonton wobbling. Hanging on the edge. Tommy. Wobbling. 2 hands on the Tommy, 2 hands. Tommy is out of the game. 2 hands. Everybody. Fatima, Lord. Ang sarap ituwid. Princess is out of the game. Time. 2 minutes and 6 seconds. It's 2 minutes and 6 seconds. Harvey wobbling. Balancing. Noel tries to hold on. Noel is out of the game. Harvey standing still. Fatima, dinadasala ng mga bola. Time. 30 seconds. Harvey pulling his last kill. Harvey is out of the game. 3 survivors left. JV, Tonton, Evans. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everybody stay. 3, 2, 1. Everybody, 1, release. Stay strong. JV on the edge of glory. Tonton is out of the game. Fatima and JV. Determination and JV. Both of them did not win anything. JV, edge of glory. JV wins immunity. Fatima.
One question to anyone. First, choose a person.